Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in this video also I'm going to be discussing and clearing a few negative things about crypto. ಥೂ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಮರಿ, leave crypto and jump into stocks. One second guys, I'll be back. Well, that'll shut him up for now. But don't worry guys, for this incident, I'm going to be getting busy kajaya from my dad in the evening. Okay, anyways, back to the video. Now, will BNB token collapse completely? And will Binance Exchange collapse next, like the FTX exchange? And in case if Binance Exchange collapses, will that bring the price of Bitcoin to $10,000? And also, there's a news running around like Binance is selling their Bitcoin holdings to pump BNB token. So, guys, what is happening with Binance? And will Binance Exchange really gonna collapse? Guys, I'm gonna clear all your doubts. Okay, so watch the video without skipping. And in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay, guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, now before we talk about the Binance further, first let's see how much reserves does Binance hold. So at the time of this video recording, Binance has financial reserves of $54 billion. And out of this, 32% is USDT, 21.8% is Bitcoin, 13.7% is BNB, 10.3% Ethereum, 4.4% is TUSD, and others is 17.4%. So Binance major holding is USDT, BTC, BNB, and Ethereum. Now speaking about the negative things about Binance, in the market that's FUD running around like Binance is gonna collapse like the FTX exchange. Guys, that's not gonna happen. FTX is different, Binance is different. Guys, Binance is solvent, which means in case if anything happens to Binance in the future, then Binance has enough assets that they can sell and give it to its users. And FTX exchange on the other hand was insolvent. They were using users fund to do something else. FTX was funding Almeida research, and most of the projects that they have invested were all startups. And in case if they wanted money immediately, then they couldn't arrange that because they were completely insolvent. And most of the money was invested in FTX token, native token called FTT. And Sam was using people's money to buy luxury mansions, and he was blowing up people's money. So when FTX started collapsing, people started to withdraw funds on massive scale. So FTX didn't have enough funds to give out. Okay, so they stopped withdrawals. But here, if you look at Binance, 32% is in stablecoin and 22% is in Bitcoin. And if you track Binance major wallet addresses, one wallet has like more than 250,000 bitcoins, and the next wallet holds more than 47,000 bitcoins. So they have enough reserves with them. Now, speaking about the FUD, in the market, there's news running around like Binance is selling that Bitcoin holdings to pump BNB price. Guys, this is not actually true. This is just a FUD. Binance major holding is in stablecoin USDT. So they could sell that, right? Why sell Bitcoin? Okay, now the third FUD that's running around in the market is in case if BNB's price goes below $198, then approximately $400 million worth of BNB will get liquidated, and this will lead to BNB crash and Binance collapse. So now before I clarify this rumor, I have one important update that I wanna share with you guys. On Bitget, the KCGI event is back again with a huge prize pool of up to 26 lakh USDT. So now what is this KCGI event on Bitget? The King's Cup Global Invitational KCGI is a global crypto trading competition held by Bitget. And this year's KCGI consists of four major competitions: spot trading, futures trading, demo trading, and futures copy trading. And along with this, users can also enter the lucky draw to win great prizes like Tesla Cyberquad, iPhone 15 Pro Max, Airbus H135 helicopter, etc. etc. So out of this 26.5 lakh prize pool, 50,000 USDT is allotted for spot trading, 20,000 USDT is allotted for demo trading, 80,000 USDT is allotted for copy trading, and 2.5 million USDT is allotted for futures trading. So right now spot trading registration is going on. So after this spot trading registration, there's futures copy trading, demo trading, and futures trading registration. So guys, make sure you register and participate in this. And in case if you don't have an account on Bitget, then I'm gonna leave the links in the description of this video. So just click on that link and create an account on Bitget today. And one more important thing guys, from September 1st, level 1 KYC will become compulsory on Bitget. New users who create account from September 1st should complete level 1 KYC process, and existing users who already have an account should complete level 1 KYC before October 1st, 2023. So between September 1st and October 1st, users who have not completed the level 1 KYC can still be able to deposit, withdraw, and trade assets. And after October 1st, users who don't complete the basic KYC, the level 1 KYC, they can withdraw their funds, cancel orders, redeem subscriptions, and close positions. But the only thing is they cannot create new trading orders. And guys, I've already completed the basic KYC, level 1 KYC on my Bitget account. So just complete the level 1 basic KYC. That's more than enough. In case if you really don't want to complete KYC, then you can use VPN. It's up to you. Okay, now back to the Binance FUD topic. Now, if BNB's price goes below $200 and if it touches exact $198, then about 300 to $400 million worth of liquidation can be seen in BNB. And people are thinking that in case if this happens, then there will be a free fall in BNB's price and Binance is gonna collapse. Guys, that's not gonna happen. Binance is not gonna collapse like the FTX exchange. So chill. FTX exchange major holdings was in FTT token. That's it. But Binance holds huge reserves in stable coins, Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, and in many other assets. So guys, at the end of the day, it all comes down to you. You should keep your crypto safe, and it's not really good to keep all your crypto on one exchange. You should diversify that. Try to distribute your crypto on other exchanges also. Like you can use Bitget. Bitget is also one of the most secure and safe exchanges out there, and it ranks in the top 10 best cryptocurrency exchanges list. So it's up to you to use whichever exchange you want. I'm just giving you my opinion, that's it. And guys, in case if you're not following me on my Telegram channel, then make sure you follow me there. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. On my Telegram channel, I keep sharing crypto related stuff and future trade signals. So don't miss out that. Okay, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then drop that in the comment section down below. And guys, please do drop a like on this video. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now, in case if you're an unsubscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.